It's the day we've all been waiting for. She's back. No, not that yet. Hyperia. And for one last time, it's the day we've all been waiting for about 3 weeks. Hyperia is finally back and ready to run tomorrow, Wednesday, the 28th of June. And I'm so excited, honestly. I booked a trip about a week and a half ago, fingers crossing that Hyperia would open by Saturday. And you know what? Thorpe Park have only gone and done it. Hyperia is opening on the 12th of June. By the way, it's actually my birthday on Friday, and the best present I could have got was Hyperia opening. So, thanks Thorpe Park. And excited is an understatement. And talking of statements, here's the Thorpe Park statement that they put out today. It's the highly anticipated update, the one we know you've all been waiting for so patiently, and the one we've been excited to share with you. She's back. We're delighted to announce Hyperia will reopen to guests from Wednesday the 12th of June. She may have needed a momentary pause after the most epic of launch events, but she's back in full flight and is ready and waiting to help you to find your fearless. I tell you what, I'm so excited to get on Hyperia. The hype that has been created for this coaster is incredible, and the fact that it's actually closed has actually created more anticipation for me to actually go and ride it on Saturday, because it's going to be a special day, and a special day for so many people as well that didn't get to experience it on the opening day or media days like me, and I'm very excited for it. Will you be there on the Saturday or in the coming week? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I'm so happy. We've finally got Hyperia back, and the communication that Thorpe Park have been giving out during this process as well has been incredible. It really has been. The park have done such a great job, and when you compare it to like Cedar Point in Ohio in America and the statements that they've been putting out for Top Thrill 2, Thorpe Park just comes on top all the time. The communication has been fantastic, and obviously I can't wait to ride Hyperia on the 15th of June. But there we go, that brings to a close all these little Hyperia updates that we've been doing now for the past few weeks. Thank you so much for supporting them. They've done really well actually, so thank you so much for watching. And of course, I'll see you if you're there on the 15th of June to experience Hyperia for the first time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yes, Hyperia is open. Come on.